Before replacing the screen assembly, verify that the True Tone function on the original screen is working. Power off the iPhone. Remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Place the iPhone face up on an iPhone separator. Set the separator's heating temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. Fix the iPhone with the clamps, and lower the suction cup. Start the heating. Press down the suction cup to secure it to the screen. When the heating is complete, rotate the knob clockwise to lift the suction cup, to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Apply some ethyl alcohol to soften the adhesive. Insert an opening pick into the gap under the screen's plastic bezel. Remove the iPhone from the iPhone separator. Slide the opening pick along the edges of the phone, to separate its adhesive. Slide the pick slowly and avoid the cables. Place the iPhone on a screen holder. Open the iPhone by gently swinging the screen up, and lean it against the holder. Cover the front cameras with protection stickers. Unscrew the display connector bracket. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the display connector bracket and antenna connector bracket. Use a spudger to disconnect the battery cable, display cable, and front sensor cable. Remove the screen assembly. Take out the repart screen assembly for iPhone 14 Pro. Before installing the new screen, program True Tone data into the screen. Connect the original screen to a programmer, and read the True Tone data. Connect the repart screen to the programmer, and write in the True Tone data. Next, remove the front sensor from the original screen. Unfasten the front sensor bracket. Remove the front sensor bracket. Apply some ethyl alcohol to soften the front sensor adhesive. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor from the notches. Peel off the front sensor gently. Install the front sensor assembly to the repart screen. Press the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor into the notches. Press the front sensor gently to secure it into place. Align the front sensor bracket to the screw hole. Fasten the front sensor bracket. Remove the old adhesive around the perimeter of the iPhone's case. Use a cotton swab dampened with alcohol to wipe off the residue. Peel off the large backing from the replacement adhesive. Carefully align the replacement adhesive to iPhone's case. Press down the edges of the adhesive. Use tweezers to peel off the large front liner of the adhesive. Connect the display cable. Connect the front sensor cable. Connect the battery cable. Power on the iPhone, and verify the True Tone function is restored. Verify that touch function is working properly. Power off the iPhone and remove the screen. Peel off the protection film from the back of the repart screen. Install the antenna connector bracket. Connect the display cable. Connect the front sensor cable. Connect the battery cable. Install the display connector bracket. Fasten the screws securing the display connector bracket. Use tweezers to peel off the final release liner. Hold the display out of the way as you remove the final piece of release liner. Remove the front camera protection stickers. Align the edges of the screen with the edges of the iPhone body. Apply gentle pressure against the screen to close it up. Tighten the tube and tallow screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. The display and touch functions are working properly. Thank you for watching.